Assalamu alaikum student, it's your week 8th day 2 lecture and the topic is mail merge. Objective is student will be able to understand how to print the envelope. Success criteria is save the work and close the file. Print envelope. As in the previous lecture we have discussed about mail merge. What are the steps to use the mail merge? In this lecture we will discuss about print envelope, because when we apply mail merge, then we use envelope where we add the letter inside the envelope. Okay, what is print mail? You cannot send the letter without an envelope. First create a list of recipient in the mail merge. First you create the list of recipient, then you have to save in Microsoft Excel. Then you have to open Microsoft Word and import the Microsoft Excel file in MS Word. Then create envelope with mail merge. Now to create the envelope with mail merge, you will watch the video that how you can create the envelope with mail merge.
With envelopes and labels. I'm going to open up this new document here as an appropriate name. I think I will just go ahead and save it now. Let's save this particular one as speech main envelope, because this is going to be my envelopes for that for the main document, but this is the envelopes that goes with it. Okay, I will then go to my mail tab, start the mail merge, and this time I want to go ahead and click my step-by-step mail merge wizard, but instead of choosing letters I want to choose envelopes instead. Now that I have the envelopes option, I will start by going to the starting the document. Now under the change document layout, we can look under here under envelope options, and you will see that the default under envelope options is going to be, if it pops up here, is going to be the size 10. Now the size 10 is just your regular size business envelope. See, it's 4 1/8 of an inch tall and 9.5 inches long. So this is just kind of your regular document. We're going to keep that as our default. We'll go ahead and click OK. And then after that we'll go to next and select our recipients. We're going to use an existing list, so now we will browse and find that list that we used earlier, and we are going to use that list that we had under speech data source, and then click open. There's my 3 names that I had entered in already. These are going to be the people that I would like to now print this envelope for. Next, I'd like to arrange my envelope. So I'm going to position the insertion point in the letter address area. So I'll just click down here and this box will appear. And now it's going to be time for me to insert an address block. So I'll click on address block, and this is the way that I'd like for it to be addressed. Then I'll say next, preview my envelopes, and then of course I want to make sure at the top I go through and preview all of those envelopes to make sure that they're correct. If you wanted to put a return address, of course you'd be able to type it here as well. If you're using a letterhead, most of the time this is already printed on a pre-printed envelope. I'll then click next so that I complete the merge and go to edit individual envelopes, merge all, and then you will see that I have all 3 envelopes.
Now what you have to do is perform the hands-on activity which is mentioned on page number 57.